Yo, what's going on, my people? So I want to show you how I caught the 630 pips during New York session trading gold, right? So this is the actual trade, and I actually send this signal in a VIP group. So if you are not in a VIP group, you are missing out a lot. So as you can see, this is the actual trade that I sent, and it was a sell position, right? We actually took a sell, and then the market all went all the way down and it hit our take profits with over 630 pips, right? So today we only took two trades. The first trade was a pre-London session, which was this one here. Let me show you guys real quick. This is the trade that we took during in the morning during pre-London, and we actually caught 300 pips, right? And in during New York session we caught 630 pips. So now let me explain to you guys how I was able to catch this 630 pips and how you can also do the same thing, right? So because I believe that the chart always repeats itself. So if you see something like this in a market, then you know what you're gonna do. Let me just explain to you guys. So this is the actual trade, but I want to show you guys where all the magic first started, right? The magic started on a 5 minute time frame. Let's just go back on a 5 minute time frame. This is the 5 minute time frame here, and as you can see on a 5 minute time frame, the market was actually dropping. The market was dropping, and once the market is dropping, as a retail traders, if the market is dropping, you actually have to, you can't just like open a trade when the market is going down, but you have to wait for the market to retrace, right? To actually retrace. The market went up to retrace this market, and when the market started going down, and that's when I was like, yo, this is the perfect time for me to sell it. But you can't just sell on a 5 minute due to high volatility and confirmations. So I had to switch on a 1 minute time frame to actually get the proper confirmations. So I had to switch on a 1 minute time frame. This is a one minute time frame right here. So once I switch on a 1 minute time frame, let me just replay so that I can show you guys what happened. What will happen at that moment, right? Let's just press replay, and then we're gonna replay a new one. I wanna replay this. Okay. I think something is going on here. Something is going on here. All right, yeah. Here's the bar. Now let's just replay. We actually took this trade. It was here. Here's where we took this trade, right? Here's where we took. Here's where we took this trade. So let's just wait a little bit, guys. I can see that the network is not. It's not good here. The network is not good here. Okay, let's try to leave this. Oh, I don't understand what's happening, guys. Let's just remove, and then we are coming back. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. I want to show you here. We are going back to trading view so that we can replay, because you don't want to waste time there. So here's where we took this trade, right? Let me show you. Yeah, here's where we took the trade, right? So by the time I switch on a 1 minute time frame, guess what I was looking for? So we saw on a 5 minute time frame, the market was dropping. So on a 5 minute time frame, on 1 minute time frame, we want to see also the market to drop. We want to see another pullback. So as you can see here, the market come down on a 1 minute time frame, went back to pullback, and when the market was going down, and that's when we open our sell position and we put our stop loss all the way above, and that's exactly what I did. And guess what happened, guys? Guess what happened? And that's not the only thing, guys. After taking this trade, right, I had to actually be mentally strong to actually hold it until it hit take profit, because now let's just play so that you can see what happened. So you can see that the market went all the way down, right? The market went down and then the market actually moved. Let me show you how many pips. That was 240 pips in the profit. But guess what? I didn't close, I didn't do anything, I didn't panic. All I did, I was just leaving the market, and the market went all the way up again, and I was in a loss in that moment. That's the power of being patient in the market. If I should have put the stop loss at the break even, I was gonna get out and I was not gonna make any money. So now let's see what happened next. Boom. So as you can see, the market went all the way, and this was a beautiful trade compared to the other one that we took in the morning. And hey, listen, a win is just a win. In the morning, we actually caught another trade, but it actually moved very slow to go hit our take profits. But this one here went straight down. Unless, as you can see, we actually had some challenges when the market dropped, and it went up again. It was in a loss, and then after that, the market dropped all the way down, and it hit our take profits. And we actually ended this session with the how many pips. Let me show you guys. That was a lot of pips, I'm telling you. Let me show you. That was 630 pips in profit. That's what we caught today. 630 pips in a New York session, and in the morning we caught 300 pips. So overall today we caught 930 pips. Now imagine how much was you gonna make if you was in a VIP group only today. Yeah, I'm not talking about yesterday, the day before yesterday. So if you're not in a VIP group, guys, you are missing out a lot. So as you can see, this is the actual group here. Everyone is happy. So yeah, that's just it, guys, as you can see. So what I'm gonna tell you in this video is I actually trusted my strategy, and also I was very patient enough to hold this trade to take profit, because not everyone is actually able to do that. You're already in the profit of let's say 200 pips, and you just let the market go to break even, and then it continues going to your TP. Some people they was gonna close, and others maybe they was gonna move the stop loss at the BE. And everyone has their own style of trading, but that's my style, guys. I don't move my stop loss at the BE. I rather hit TP or stop loss, because I do trust my stop loss. The place where I put my stop loss, I trust it more than anything, and I do trust where I put my TP. So I don't see like the point of me moving my stop loss or TP. I rather hit TP or stop loss. It's one of them, one of those two. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. And if you want to be part of our VIP, click the link down below, join our free Telegram group, and then when you're in a free Telegram group, you're gonna see the message saying join the VIP, and you're gonna see the process to join the VIP group. I just wanted to make this quick video, guys. Today we actually ended the day with a massive profit, and yeah, tomorrow again we are back at it. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting everything here on the YouTube, so make sure that you like, subscribe, turn the post notification so that you know when I'm posting or not. Yeah, so take care of yourself, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.